The journey of luxury begins deep underground, where the purest white clay is harvested by steel giants.
Raw earth meets industrial power. Massive crushers reduce boulders to manageable chunks. Moving thousands of tons of raw minerals requires the world's largest haulers, connecting the mine to the heart of the factory. Inside these rotating giants, the minerals are ground into a powder so fine it feels like silk. A constant flow of material travels through the factory's massive artery, heading for the refining stage. Only the finest particles are chosen. Precision sifting ensures a perfectly smooth finish for the final ceramic body.
Water and mineral meet in the mixing cauldron, creating slip, the liquid foundation of every toilet and sink.
Mega stirrers blend the mixture for 24 hours to achieve the perfect density for pressure casting.
Extreme pressure is applied to refine the material, creating dense clay cakes ready for the final liquefying.
Purity is the secret to strength. High-powered magnets extract every trace of iron to prevent any treat. The refined clay is reborn as a premium liquid slip, free from air and impurities.
Science monitors every drop. Precision sensors guarantee that every batch meets the global standard for luxury.
The material is ready. Phase 1 is complete. Now, the liquid giants head to the molding hall.
Welcome to the Hall of Giants. Here, the liquid clay is injected into massive molds under extreme pressure to take its final form. Ordinary gravity casting is too slow. These megapresses use intense hydraulic force to bond the ceramic. After the pressure is released, the mold reveals a masterpiece. This is greenware.
Moving these wet giants is a high-stakes operation. The robotic grippers use air-cushioned pads to...
Every hole and curve is engineered with surgical precision. Robotics ensure that no two units are ever distrinous. Mass production at this scale is a masterpiece of logistics. Thousands of units are moved shits. The most complex part of a toilet is the internal trapway. It's a hidden tunnel designed to create a calyx. Moisture control is a delicate dance. If the giants dry too quickly, they will shatter. Even with robots, human expertise ensures that every sink is perfectly flat, allowing water to pass. Artificial intelligence is our final gatekeeper. It detects flaws that the human eye could never see. Phase 2 is over. The shapes are solid. Now, we prepare them for the The giants must now rest. Over the next 24 hours, they will lose 20% of their weight as Welcome to the Shine Lab. Before the fire, every unit must be coated in a layer of liquid glass, known as is mandatory. A single grain of dust under the glaze could cause a permanent blemish, ruining a $1,000 fixture.
The glaze is a secret cocktail of glass, flint, and minerals. It's kept in constant motion in the...
The internal surfaces are just as important. Every inch of the trapway is glazed to ensure a friction-free flow. This is robotic artistry. The AI-controlled arm moves with a fluidity that no human could match. For smaller fixtures, the deep dive method ensures 100% coverage, sealing the ceramic in a... The base of every unit must be wiped clean of glaze, or it would fuse to the machinery during the intense firing process. Scale meets synchronization. Even the largest double sinks are coated in seconds, maintaining a Nothing escapes the UV eye. Our scanners ensure that the glaze is a flawless, unbroken sheet.
A glistening forest of porcelain. Thousands of units are now ready to face the fire.
The giants are loaded onto their final transport. These cars will carry them to Inferno hot.
Even the bottom is engineered. A perfectly flat base is crucial for a stable, leak-proof installation in the home.
Phase 3 is over. Prepare to enter the Inferno. This is the tunnel kiln, a 500-foot-long furnace.
On massive rail cars, the glazed giants are pushed into the fire. Here, they will spend 24 hours. Precision heat management is critical. Even a 5-degree difference could crack the entire batch of $1,000 fixtures. At 2200 degrees Fahrenheit, the clay and glaze fuse together. The liquid glass coating melts and bonds. Controlled cooling is where the magic happens. The liquid glass freezes into a diamond-hard surface that is compressed. Gigantic internal fans move the heat with the force of a hurricane, ensuring every single unit is fired to... Gigantic internal fans move the heat with the force of a hurricane, ensuring every single unit is fired to absolute perfection. Controlled cooling is where the magic happens. The liquid glass freezes into a diamond-hard surface that is complobert. Robotics and sensors monitor the cool-down process every second, preventing any thermal shocks. Giant automated platforms move the 1,000-ton loads with ease, connecting the fire zone to the final out of the fire and into the world. What began as liquid clay is now an indestructible piece of herbs. This kiln never stops. It burns 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, fueling. The fire can change the shape of the clay. Our precision robotics ensure that every unit remains perfectly. Final cooling stabilizes the molecular structure, making the ceramic harder than most natural stones. To maintain a 2,000-degree inferno, the factory consumes enough energy to power a small city. The giants are born. Now, we put their strength to the ultimate test.
Before the final fire, the giants must endure the preheat zone. Even a drop of hidden water in an environment where steel melts, specialized ceramic robots are the only guardians of the production line. At the peak temperature, a chemical miracle occurs. The glaze and clay fuse at a molecular level, create a battle of extremes. While it's 2,000 degrees above, a massive cooling system keeps the heavy steel wheels below from liquefying. Every second, the digital brain of the kiln manages the internal pressure, venting heat with the force of a hurricane. The giants have survived the fire. Reborn and ready, they emerge from the shadows of the
Every unit must pass the ultimate test of power. Our high-pressure flush system ensures that even the most massive loads are handled with effortless ease. Engineered for absolute strength. These ceramics are designed to support the weight of a grizzly bear, ensuring airtight and watertight. We use industrial vacuum technology to guarantee a 100% leak-proof.
The final seal of quality. This hologram is the world's guarantee of engineering perfection from the giant mega factory.
Flawless aesthetics. Our AI-driven vision systems scan for microscopic motion.
A thick layer of weatherproof film seals the giants, keeping them safe from the elements during their global journey. Logistics at this scale require mega robotics. We move thousands of tons of luxury porcelain. The never-ending convoy begins. A fleet of hundreds of trucks is constantly moving, connecting our factory to the... Welcome to the world's largest reserve of luxury ceramics. A mountain range of porcelain, organized by... Across oceans and continents, our giants travel to provide comfort and luxury to every corner of the planet. We need the power of rail. Our dedicated freight lines move millions of units every month to global ports. From raw earth to your home. This is the unbelievable world of the giant ceramic mega factory. The sun sets, but the fire in our kilns never dies. 24 hours a day, 365 days horas.